Today we are learning Flutter interview questions and answers. So the first question is, what are the advantages of using Flutter? So the Flutter is a very powerful tool. Let us look at some of the advantages of using Flutter. So we are fast development using Flutter, live and hot reload functionality in the Flutter. So cross-platform development, good community, minimal code, and documentation, UI focus. We are implement in Flutter. So the fast development is the iOS, Android, and web all in the single code base. Okay, so that is the advantages of Flutter. What are the disadvantages of using Flutter? So the disadvantages is Flutter has a comparatively large release size because it's built IPA and APK both, so it's a large release size. Flutter has a very limited number of third-party libraries available. Flutter has a very limited complexity and cannot handle third modeling and game engines. Although Flutter has a community, it still lacks constant support since it is in relatively new technologies. Not many developers prefer using Dart, thus they avoid using Flutter as well. Name of the famous companies that use Flutter. For example, Alibaba, Google Ads, Finance, Watermining. These all are using Flutter. What is the controller widgets? So the controller is a Flutter widget that is used to compose, position, personalize, and decorate the child widget. Only one child widget can be added to the container widget. What is the snack bar widget? So the snack bar widget is used to allow an application to pop up a message from a few seconds at the very bottom of the app interface. Like when you are log out to your application, okay, user logout in the application. So we are showing snack bar. You are successfully logged out. Okay. What is the trace hacking in a Flutter? So trace hacking is a technique that is used to remove all the unnecessary modules from an application during the build process. Trace hacking can also be used to optimize the unnecessary code. What is the hot reloading in Flutter? So the hot reloading in Flutter is used to add code to the Flutter application files while running the Dart virtual machine. This means that you can immediately see the impact of your changes on the app's UI, layout, and functionality, which significantly speed up the development process. So this is the most advantages of the Flutter. And what is the hot restart in the Flutter? So the hot restart in a Flutter is used to reset the current state of the application to the initial state of the application. Clear app state. All current states such as user input, navigation stack, and temporary variables are reset. Restart the app from a scratch. The app is recompiled from the beginning, but in a faster way than full app restart. Okay. What is context in a Flutter? So context can be described as a handle to the location of a particular widget in the application. Each widget has a specific place inside the widget tree, and we can use context to fetch this location. Okay, that we are using a text view. Okay, text view button. Okay, so we are fixed height. Okay, so that we are using a media query dot of context, so the particular location of these widgets. Okay, Thank you.